guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, sorry it's a little windy. It's warm but windy, so it's kind of weird today in California. For today's video, I will be showing you guys how I do my makeup. So foundation, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyeshadow, everything. This is my go-to everyday when I wear makeup type look. And I just wanted to show you guys and share with you guys what I use and all that good stuff. I also will be showing you guys my outfit. I just really like outfit of the days, so that's what I'll be doing in the end. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and like if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's just get into the video. Okay, so this is my foundation that I use. This is Max Dew Fix Fluid in NC35, and I use the Real Techniques brush. Next, I'm going to use the NYX concealer in 3.5 CW and the Real Techniques sponge. It's dirty, I'm sorry. And I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes. I'm going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in a dark brown, and a Essence Precise eyeliner brush. I'm going to try to do this on camera. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it. So I will try the best that I can to do my eyebrow. So I already have a lot of eyebrows, so I don't need to really fill it in. I just need to do the outline to define it. So here I go. I do have dark brows, so when people ask me like why don't I like do my eyebrow differently or something like that, I really can't, because this is my eyebrow. I have a lot of eyebrows, so eyebrow hair, so my eyebrow has to be bold because that's how it is. It's just really bold. So if you guys could see the difference. Moving on to my eyeshadows, this is the Morphe palette. This is the Always Golden 9A, and I love this. It's really inexpensive. I got it at Ulta, and these are the colors. Love this color, love this. I just love everything about it. It's very brown and neutral, and these are just my favorite everyday go-to eyeshadows. So they're super pigmented and great quality for the price. So I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild, I think it's just a blending brush. So I'm gonna take this color right here, and it's called Splendid, and I'm gonna just apply this all over my lid. And then I'm gonna take a flatter shader brush from e.l.f. and I'm gonna take Surprise right here. This is my favorite shade. I don't even know, it's like a gold, like bronzy color. There's a little bit of fallout sometimes, but look at this color. So shimmery, so glittery. And then just go back in with the fluffy brush and just blend all the colors together. Sometimes I'll go in just right here with another color, but right now I'm just gonna stick to this one. I finished off this eye, and I'm gonna take the Inglot 77 gel liner. I recommend it because I really like how it's super black and it just glides on really nicely. I'm gonna take the Better Than Sex mascara and just lightly go through my lashes. Now I'm gonna use the Eyelure Dramatic Lashes in number 205. These are the lashes that I use. I get so many questions on what lashes I wear. These are the only ones. They're pretty inexpensive. They're about $5.99, I believe, and sometimes they have sales, like buy one get one 50% off at Ulta. And then I use the Duo Lash Glue in the dark tone. But this is how the lash looks like. It's very dramatic. So it's not that easy putting on lashes. I still use this little thing to help me. And it does take me a long time, but it just takes a lot of practice overall. So I just kind of press it in the middle and then, oh, see, I'm not perfect. I will be taking the RCMA No Color Powder and a little sponge and just pretty much going underneath my eyes. So just taking it like this and then I'm going to take this e.l.f. powder brush and this transparent Stay Matte Rimmel powder and just go all over my face. Next I'm taking a Wet n Wild brush and this Wet n Wild contouring palette. Like that, and then I'll go in with the City Color Be Matte Blush and Toasted Coconut. This is like hitting pan already, but I have a backup. This is the only blush that I use. It's almost like a contouring shade because it's brown, but I just really like that like type of tone, the brown tones, so I'll use it for my blush. Because I don't really like the pinky shades, so use the yellow side. And I'm just gonna use a sponge. Next, I'm gonna take my baby Becca highlighter with this Dior mini brush. And lastly, this is my go-to shade. This is Ashton Liquid Lipstick by Anastasia. It's a really pretty color. I love it. Not too dark, not too light, and it looks like that. And I'm just gonna finish off my hair and my outfit, put it on, and show you guys the finished look. Alright, so I finished up my hair, put on my outfit, and everything just looks a lot better.
Fuck what you heard, give me your words, you better mean it. Cause you ain't got no reason to lie. If you ain't gon' ride, you can go right now. Go right now, you can go right now. Go ahead, leave, might as well head out. Cause I ain't got no time for the games. If you gon' play, I'ma call timeout. Call timeout, I'ma call timeout. So keep it 1,000 when you say what you mean.